Hello, my name is Bhargav Kare. I am a third year undergraduate student from the Department of Ocean Engineering and Naval Architecture. Let us dive deep into the most functional application of artificial intelligence in the shipping industry. The utility of this technique saves the shipping companies huge amounts of money. The topic that is to be discussed is route optimization. The primary artificial intelligence technique to be used is the searching algorithm. Route optimization is viewed as one of the low hanging fruits as, as far as AI is concerned, given the large volumes of predominantly high quality data are available and already digitalized, meaning that there is not much need for new technology. Route optimization would build optimization models to determine the most efficient route to take. With the help of AI, a prediction of the best path with minimum fuel consumption and considering the weather can be calculated. Factors such as weather, currents, and other potential problems are taken into account, and then the most efficient route is recommended. And this is made possible by refining the AI technology. AI software is able to predict the most easy on pocket and efficient route in terms of fuel consumption. Mitsui OSK Lines of Japan is working with Bearing, an AI based Silicon Valley company, and has announced in 2019 that it has developed an AI powered smart routing engine. This application automatically analyzes multiple potential routes for a given voyage and recommends prudent, efficient routing through the use of optimal main engine output and propeller profiles. Route optimization can easily be reiterated as a searching problem in artificial intelligence. Once we declare that a problem can be solved using a searching algorithm in artificial intelligence, it is imperative that we mention the quantities such as the current state, state transformation rules, goal states, costs, etc. In the shipping industry, the current state is the port on which the ship is docked. A direct path to the goal state may be the shortest in terms of the distance and time efficient, but severe weather conditions might force the engine to run at higher power for long hours, which is not fuel efficient and also hazardous for the engine at times. The ships can only sail on the paths available on the preloaded navigation systems. She can reach the intermediate ports only through these paths. Hence, the state transformation rules are defined. As obvious it is, the goal state is the destination port where the vessel has to reach. Fuel consumption plays a vital role in shipping industry economics. Companies pay loads of money for the fuel, and minimizing fuel consumption is the main focus of every shipping company. Therefore, the heuristic cost of the problem is the volume of fuel required for transport from one port to another. This completes our problem statement construction. Now, I hand it over to my teammates for the subsequent discussion.
My name is Atharva Nangare, and I am currently studying in third year from the Department of Ocean Engineering and Naval Architecture, enrolled in its BTech course. So today, we'll be discussing our problem statement first. We are given n nodes, which in our case are the ports, which are all connected and hence it forms a connected graph. So we will be using A-star algorithm to find optimal path from start node or port A to the or goal node G. So let's discuss first what A-star algorithm is. A-star algorithm is the modified form of breadth-first search, which searches for the shortest path first, then the longest path. So it is both optimal and complete. Optimal means it gives us the least cost path from all the available paths in the graph, and it is also complete. That is, it gives all the available paths which are optimal. We are given a list of nodes in the form of a, b, x, in which a and b are the two nodes and x is the cost required to travel either from node A to node B or from node B to node A. Then we will have to convert this list into adjacency list in order to apply the A-star algorithm. Now let us discuss some basic concepts of the A-star algorithm. The cost is divided into G of n, which is also known as the cost to travel from the starting node to the current node, and H of n are the heuristics made. It is the actual cost to travel from the current node to the goal node. H of n and G of n both sum of 2 make f of n, which is the actual cost from the start node to goal node. A-star algorithm also comprises of two lists, namely open list and closed list. Open list consists of the nodes that are not yet visited, and the closed list contains the visited nodes. Now, before going through the actual code, let us understand the working of the A-star algorithm. In this case, we are given a graph which consists of the nodes A, B, C, and D and their corresponding f of n values. First of all, we will place the starting node in the open list, in this case, which is the node A, and then we will remove the node with the least f of n value from the open list. If it is the goal node, then we will stop the program, or else we will place it in the closed list, and then we will find all the successors of the node A and place it in the open list, and then the process is continued for all the values in the open list. And now, as the node C has the least f of n value, it will get removed from the open list, and if it was to be the goal node, then the program would have been stopped, or else it would be placed in the closed list. As C does not have any successors, then again we will have to move to the open list for the next iteration. This is how the A-star algorithm works. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishwarat Sharma. I am a third-year undergraduate student of the Department of Ocean Engineering in Naval Architecture. And so far, as discussed for this particular assignment, we have chosen the topic path optimization for ships and other vessels. So, and also we discussed about the implementation and the steps that we thought while for planning this idea. Now let's go through the code that we have written. We have used the language Python, and we have created the class A-star algorithm, which deals with all of the code. So which it contains several functions. One of the functions, that is the first one, is the heuristic function, which sets upon the heuristic values for all the nodes. Here we have set all equal values for all the nodes, but we could customize this on the basis of information that we have of the ships traveling to different countries, different ports, and different harbors. So moving ahead, when we have got the heuristic values of all the nodes, and then we have a function named A-star algorithm, which have the data start node and the goal node, and then we create few variables like open list, closed list, distance, and the parents. So open list is initiated with the element start node, and the closed list is initially empty. And the distance is also initially contains the distance of start node is 0, and then we would update it as we go along the different nodes. And then we have the parent list, which stores the information of parents, and it is quite important when we backtrack towards the previous solutions after we find a goal node, either goal node in a particular branch, or we don't find any optimum solution. So ahead we have used the loop where we check for the different edges of a particular node and check if the f values of that particular node is lesser than the previous values, and thus we could move upon to other nodes in that path. If we do not get, then we can exit that particular branch, and if we get a goal node, then also we backtrack towards the towards the parents that node had, and we will then move upon the next branches that we have not yet covered to gain the complete solution, and we may find the better solution later on. So this is the code implementation of the same. And we also update the open list and the closed list. We put on a new node into the open list, and when we find that all of the neighbors of that particular node are covered, we insert it into the closed list and remove it from the open list. So this is how we will find the goal node and the best optimal solution. And below it is the inputs that we have given and the basic calling of the same code with that we written above. So this is how we could optimize the path of a particular shape and take the heuristic values from other things. Thank you.